at Rainforest Cafe in Dallas, Texas. And so we're about to enter Rainforest Cafe. And this is the mall in Dallas. Because we just came here to hang out with me and my dad. Probably sometime.
Look, it's a giant mushroom.
Like the Smurfs. That's
Like a Smurf. Joaquin's gonna be a Smurf for the
my
night.
pet iguana.
Watch out for the train, Joaquin. There's a train coming. Here goes the choo-choo train.
The birdie. And yesterday, this is where I took a picture right here. And this is Rainforest Cafe up there. As you can see. Rainforest Cafe.
All right.
It's not moving anymore. Alligator. Saw it going like trump. Look, it's moving. It moved more, like it was opening its mouth. Okay, over here.
All right. Hey, let's take. You want to snap some pictures?
That's a picture. You don't, not yet. First, you have to show everyone. Basically, Rainforest Cafe have everything here. They have some corn dogs. They're so soft. This looks like an awesome snake. I want a snake. If this was real, I would totally have it. You're still recording?
Yes. Hey, you want to go check out those fish?
Oh yeah.
Show them the water.
This is the fish tank. There are many more over there and over there. And you can identify the fish. Hi Dory! Look, that is Dory. Oh, Dory came to visit.
Dory's in the house.
Look. Okay. And they tell you the information down here below.
These are all the Nemo fish.
I don't think there's any clownfish.
All right. So see y'all later.
Wait, no. Don't.
Are these for your fans?
Our friends.
Look, the fruit tree.
That's a fruit tree. If it was real, I would eat it all.
Joaquin doesn't even like fruit.
I'll eat them. It's really good. Over there is where you eat.
Hey, should we sign up for lunch?
That's where you eat. There's photo booth. And there's a super cool thing right here. Oh my gosh, it moved again. You moved, I saw you. You blinked your eyes and looked over here, huh? Don't be lying. I saw you move. I saw that.
His eyes are moving right now.
I saw it. I saw it close its eyes and look over here. I'm not lying, it moved. That thing moved.
Hey, look.
Oh my gosh, it just moved its eyes. It was looking over there. It moved and blinked.
That's kind of freaky.
Look, it's gonna eat my hand.
Hey, remember that? Uh-oh. Oh.
This is the super cool place where you get to look at all these things such as jellyfish, Dory again. See, Dory's really famous. Everything else. Look, Nemo's right there, Dad. Nemo.
What kind of fish is Nemo?
He's a clownfish, but I don't know what type of fish Dory is. Look, it's talking.
Cool.
I never knew that thing. Ooh, candy. They even have candy here. They have some Iggy snack.
All right, guys. Now let's go try the food.
We're gonna try the food, and we'll stop this video, record another video about the food. Bye.